The future has never been quite so vague as it has through this last 12, 18 months. And although things are starting to develop and we can see a light at the end of the tunnel, and it's not just our friend Rishi burning a candle with a tax trail on it, things are definitely going to be strange for some while to come, I feel. Now more than ever, you need a board that can take you through this future, such as it is, such as we may dream it to be, and to become a better performing company. Our specially designed programme in-house for your board and your senior leadership team will help you understand what you need to do to make sure that your board and your SLT is the best it can be, to help us navigate what will inevitably be some choppy waters. Everybody dreams of being a director, but few people really understand what it means. So our programme, which will be run in-house for you, either virtually or physically, will be tailored to suit your particular company needs and industry. I do hope that you might consider allowing me to come and share with you some of my experiences of the last 30 years of corporate governance and corporate finance and help you build the right board for the future that you need.